Okay, so I noticed that there wasn't any videos on how to remove the ignition from VX 2001 Commodore. I've already done this replacement, but I thought I'm going to go through and just point out what I did, and then anyone else who has the same problem. So with my ignition here, this is just the barrel, but the inside piece, which I'll just show you, the inside piece here snapped off. You can see that it snapped off inside. It snapped off inside this little piece here. Snapped off inside. So to get that off, of course, you first thing you have to take off all the plastic. That's pretty easy. I've already done that, as you can see. And then just on the top of, where is it? Just on the top of the ignition there, you see a little hole there. You can just see it. Yep. So you got to get your pin, which I have modified, and you got to do that. You can leave all of this. You can leave all of this on if you think you can do that without just smashing it off. And you just get in there and you do that, and you put that in, and then this whole barrel slides out. Of course, I went to put the new one in, and the new one wouldn't go in. And lo and behold, we looked in, and that little piece there was staring back at us inside the steering ignition barrel. So we took that out again and came around to the other side here, which is not too hard. It looks really hard, but we got inside here. We got inside this little part here, and there's a little star key. Undo that. That pulls a pin out, and that allows this to come off. And inside there was a little plastic bit in the end of the barrel, which I was able to undo all the pieces inside here relatively easily. Undid all these pieces, got that off, and then slipped that little piece out and put it all back together. And you have to watch out for a couple of springs, and then plugged it back in, and now we're ready to go.